Well, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world. It's Nick here, and hope you're well. Um, just part two of this big mistake. It's 8:32 in New York. By my reckoning, New York will be opening for trading in about an hour, and it's the time of the day when there's a lot of volume going through the market because London is still trading in the afternoon, and you've got New York in the morning, and Europe's still active as well. So huge volume going through the market. And a lot of people say, just continuing from the first video, big mistake, when you hit the Bollinger Band with your 1 hour candle, um, it's going to reverse. Well, not true, not necessarily. You need to check the volume, sorry, not the volume, but the momentum of the market. And I do that with a 4 hour candle, and this is definitely straight up. And I use a moving average of 6. Um, and one thing you need to bear in mind is that with New York opening in about an hour from now, the volume will go through and there'll be lots of news items coming out, and we need to see how the pound is going to perform during the next few hours, because this will be crucial. And over the last day or so, it's been very much up. Had a bit of a lull there for 12 or so hours. That's probably the Asian session. And then the the last 8 hours has been, or almost 8 hours, has been straight up. So interestingly enough, you look at this candle, it's straight up with a very little pullback there on the 4 hour. Crosses over into the next 4 hour session. Just about almost no pullback there. I think there's something at the bottom there of that candle, and straight up again. So you go back to the 1 hour, and it's just up, up, and up. And this candle was, I think, red a little bit earlier, but it's turned to green again. I know it's only a small body, but right now it's in the afternoon in London. So they're just coming back from their G&Ts at lunchtime, and they'll have the afternoon trading session there and the morning in New York. And there's quite a bit to look at here because oil prices yesterday increased. Hesitation obviously in this hourly candle. We're halfway through this hour, but it's a quiet hour leading into the New York session. Okay, so certain hours, are not busy, but the next, in an hour from now, when New York really opens for real, you'll have about 2 or 3 hours of really high volume trading, high volume in the sense of the amount of business going through the market. And then you should see some real movement on the 1 hour. So I would stay out at the moment. And just to recap on the weekly direction, this blue line here is a resistance level, very, very key on the pound, and we are, not a million miles away from it. We're at 52.48. There was the high. 52.48, 52.66. It's all getting quite close. So we need to watch this pair a lot. If you're not sure, just sit on your hands, stay out of the market, because that's what I do, and don't stress yourself. Right, I hope that helps. So don't make the normal big mistake of just, shorting on the Bollinger Band there. Watch your market momentum there with your 4 hour chart. And I feel absolutely starving, so I'm going for dinner. Wherever you are, all the best. Hope you're well. Be safe, be good, and talk to you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.